All great men must have their moments of relaxation.
And the greater the man, the greater the moment.
Hey everyone. Hold on, there we go. Turn off the heat. Hold on. Turn off my car. Okay. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my job. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. My name's Nikko, and I'm just basically gonna show you stuff that I do, my crafts, and sometimes my work, and just other little BS stuff that I do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the video. Thank you. So here's what the driveway looks like before we actually do it. This is a resurface, so we're gonna make all of this to there look new. So the asphalt's already here, so you're gonna go ahead and see us make this driveway. Right now I'm going ahead and getting the asphalt off my boots with my scraper. Scraper is also good to scrape your shovel and your lute with. If you decide to do asphalt paving, always make sure you have some type of drywall scraper. These things make your job a lot easier. And boots. Get a good pair of damn boots. If you don't get a good pair of boots, your shoes will be destroyed. If you do go thrifting and you do decide to get shoes, make sure that they aren't too worn out and that the impression from the previous person's foot isn't in the shoe, because that can hurt your foot, hurt your back. No, I'm not a doctor. I just know from experience. Now, I could have went and bought these boots brand new, but I didn't feel like paying $150 basically just to buy shoes that I know I'm going to end up destroying because of asphalt. Asphalt can destroy your shoes. Between the diesel that is used to lubricate the paver, the chemicals that you work with, the heat from the asphalt also messes with the glue that is inside your shoe, and it will cause it to start to come apart. So you want to get yourself a good pair of boots. These are waterproof steel toe boots. I never liked steel toes growing up, but in this field of work, you gotta have steel toes. And I love smacking that steel toe. But yeah, so basically we're just waiting for the next load of asphalt, and once that gets here, then we'll go ahead and continue. So while my co-workers left to go grab lunch, I left because we're still waiting on asphalt. I left and I got this. I got a chair and I got some fucking subwoofers for $10. I don't know if they're blown or not, but shit, $10, you can't beat that. That's great. All right, well, the asphalt's back. Dump truck driver is backing up right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the tripod back up, and yeah, let's get back to it. We are done with that job. Another job well done. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Take some of my tips. If you want to do asphalt, use a few of my tips. Scraper right here, boots, steel toe boots, and reflective vest, and you are ready to go. Also, you should probably be a little physically fit before you're going to do asphalt, and you have to be able to take high temperatures, because with the sun beating down on you from above and then the heat from the asphalt below, it can be a lot. I've seen guys pass out. But if you watch this video, thank you for tuning in. I'm Nikko. I would truly love it if you liked, subscribed, and shared my videos. Turn on your notifications so you can see when I upload new videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a good day.
Senza fine.